Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by getting the keyboard recognized. Plug it in and choose Direct Input unless your device supports X input. Open Efootball settings, then Controls and switch to Keyboard Mapping. This is where you assign keys. Map primary functions first. Movement, pass, shoot. Once done, save a preset so you can restore quickly. Make sure to validate bindings in training mode right away. This prevents surprises during a match and shows you whether sensitivity or dead zones need tweaking before moving to advanced assignments. Now you refine controls to play effectively. Assign secondary keys for sprint and skill moves so you can perform combos without awkward hand shifts, and use modifiers like Shift or Control to double available inputs without collision. Configure quick subs and set dedicated keys for set pieces. This reduces decision time. Make sure to test timing in a practice match to confirm responsiveness and to adjust input repeat rates if double presses occur. Once you understand the how and why of each mapping, your in-game choices become fast. Finish by locking and backing up your keyboard profile so you can reuse it across sessions. If you experience lag, inspect keyboard polling rate, update drivers, and reduce background CPU load because latency often comes from software conflicts. For misfires or duplicate actions, lower the game's input buffer and retest. Sometimes changing a single key fixes multiple issues. If problems persist, reset controls to default, then reassign keys one by one while testing. This isolates conflicts and ensures you understand why each binding works.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.